ready to draw Jack Skellington from A Nightmare Before Christmas. It's a wonderful movie if you ever get to see it. Let's start with Jack right about here. He's got a bit of a round head, but it's got some bits and bobs in it. So it's got a little bit of wobble there, just like that. That's looking nice. And what we're gonna do is draw a mouth right about here like this. There we go. And Jack's got some quite big eyes, just like this one here. And then I'll draw the other one here like this. Just make sure not to hit the edge of the skull. And there's the inside of his eye there and there, just like that. So that's looking nice. And then we'll draw little bits for his nose here, just like this. And then what we can do is draw his mouth right about here like that. Perfect. I like that. Jack's got a long neck, he does, right about here, just like that. And he's got a bit of a frilly necktie right here. So draw a little knot here. And then what we'll do is give him some kind of wiggly bits of cloth that'll come off him like this. There we go, just like that. I like that. That's looking nice. And Jack's big and long, and he's kind of got some funny arms that come up like this. There we go, just like that. And he's a bit of a skinny guy. He is this like this. There's his chest and his tummy, and there we go, just like that. He's got a bit of an overcoat, he does. So we'll do that like that. Give him a button right about here. And what we can do is we'll bring his vest in like this. And like that. Just like this. Looking nice, everybody. Let's not forget the little bits of his suit here. Like that, just like that. And then what we can do is we'll finish the arms off like this. Like that. Like this. And like that. And we can make that one go all the way like this. And then this one, we've got his fingers will be coming around like this. That's right, just like that. And then you can see a couple more over here like this. Looking good, everybody. I like this. And now let's draw his legs. They'll come all the way down like this. And like that. And then you can have his feet just like this. Give him a bit of a heel here. And bring his pant leg right on up like that. And then this one down again like that. And we'll have him standing here like this. I'm liking this. This is looking really nice, everybody. Let's give him a tail. His coattails, just like that. Really like his collar. Very nice, everybody. Here we go. It's Jack Skellington. Jack Skellington is black and white with a pinstriped suit. Thanks, everyone.